Can you explain what boxing and unboxing are in C# and how they impact application performance?
Absolutely. In C#, boxing and unboxing are concepts related to how value types and reference types interact. Let's start with boxing. Boxing is the process of converting a value type, like an integer or a boolean, into a reference type, specifically into an object. When you box a value type, C# allocates memory on the heap and copies the value into that memory. So essentially, you're wrapping the value inside an object. For example, imagine I declare an integer variable and assign the value 10. I say, int number equals 10. Now if I assign that to an object type, like object obj equals number, what happens is the integer 10 is boxed into a reference type. It's no longer just a value in the stack, it's now a heap allocated object. Now coming to unboxing, it's the reverse operation. Let's say we already have an object that holds a value type. We want to extract the value back. We do that by explicitly casting the object back to the value type. So I would say int new number equals cast the object to int. This is unboxing. The value is copied from the heap back to the stack. Now let's talk about performance. Boxing and unboxing introduce overhead. When you box, you're allocating memory on the heap, and that triggers garbage collection later. Unboxing also involves type checking and copying. If this process is repeated multiple times, say inside a loop or in high-frequency logic, it can degrade performance significantly. I actually encountered this in a production system. We were storing integers inside a list that was typed as object, because it was shared across components. That meant every time an integer was added, it was being boxed, and every retrieval required unboxing. Once we changed it to use a generic list of int, which doesn't involve boxing, memory usage improved and CPU load reduced. So in summary, while boxing and unboxing are useful features, we must avoid them in performance-critical code. Using generics like list of int or other strongly typed collections helps eliminate unnecessary boxing operations.